Here's how to make baked feta pasta. Start by adding tomatoes, garlic, paprika, salt, pepper, red chili flakes, and olive oil to a baking dish. Mix it all up and put a block of feta cheese in the middle. Drizzle more olive oil on top, put in the oven, cook your pasta. Take the tomatoes and cheese out of the oven and mash up the tomatoes with a fork. Please be careful not to burn yourself because the tomatoes could burst when you're mashing them. Mash the cheese too and mix it with the tomatoes. And now you're gonna add in all the rest of the ingredients. Pasta, olives, parsley. If you don't like olives, you can substitute them for pretty much any other vegetable. Mix it up until all the ingredients are combined. Serve in a bowl and top with Parmesan cheese. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe if you want to see more videos.